Hey there traders, hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you had a brilliant trading week. So in this video guys, I just want to take you over the exact same setup that I've shown you in the last two videos that I've been taking lately. I'm trading it on a small account first because I want to transfer the risk management side of it and the technical side of it, the technical aspect of it, onto a larger account once I'm ready. But I just want to show you how this setup itself repeats itself almost daily, at least 3 times a week on all the pairs and Forex pairs, indices, gold, whatever you want to trade, whatever you do trade, it applies to all the different instruments. So I just want to show you how repeatable it is, how simple it is, and how you can take advantage of the setup. It offers great risk to reward. It's a high win rate type of setup, and just want to show you the trade that I took. I didn't record it like I've done in the last couple of videos, but I'll show you the actual profit that I'm banked on the trade itself on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So let's head over to the charts guys, and I'll show you the setup, and let me see if you can see what I'm seeing and how simple it is. Catch you there guys. Okay guys, so let's firstly go to MetaTrader, and I'll just go to the history just so I can show you that I did take the trade live. Okay, so you can see under the history here, as you can see, live account. So you can see it was on AUD, USD, buy at a 0.50, 70 bucks. Okay, so let's now head over to TradingView and look at the actual trade itself and how you guys can find these trades easily. Okay, so here on TradingView guys, it was on this Australian dollar, US dollar pair. Now what I like to do is mark these major peak formations on the hourly or the 4 hour. Okay, even the daily sometimes. So you can see here on the left over here, I had marked out this this peak formation here. Okay, on the left here. All right, so price was somewhere here. I think it was on Friday, and price was starting to come down. Yes, it was on Friday midday or so, and I saw price was starting to come down. So I wasn't trading up until price reached this peak formation here, all right? And you can see the beautiful bounce it had. Now, a simple thing you can do is mark off these peak formations like this. So you can mark off a peak formation, like put it there on that top peak formation, or put it down here on this peak formation here on the left. For example, right, so I had this peak formation here, marked here on the left, right? Just like that. And I had an alert. So what you want to do is, you want to, at the peak formation, you want to put an alert. So you just do this and add alert on that level. Alright, so you can see now I've set an alert. So this is how you'd plan for the next week. I'm just showing you how I planned for this trade. So I set an alert. I also set my zone there on this peak formation. So you don't have to, this is the whole point of being patient and waiting for these setups. So you set your alerts and you just wait for price to come and tap into these peak formations, and you'll get an email alert or a push notification on your phone or on your laptop. These alerts here that you can set are actually, you get 5 free on TradingView with the free account. Okay, so you can set up to 5 alerts for free. That's something that TradingView's actually added now for free into the basic plan, which is absolutely amazing for people who can't afford the essential plan and all of that. Okay, so you can see here, so price basically came, you just look at my crosshair, price basically traveled down, and as soon as it hit this level here, I got an alert on my phone and email. So that's when I dropped down to the lower time frames. Okay, so let's go to the 15 minutes. Okay, so I dropped down to the lower time frames. You can see how it came down in there. Now once it reaches your level and you get your alerts and stuff like that, then you're just looking for price action confirmation. So you can see here we get a bullish pin bar with a bit of a rejection, from this. Now you can see, okay, so you can see it's basically reacting and rejecting this peak formation here on the left. Okay, so you can see here, that's basically it, guys. It's so simple. You get this bullish pin bar. All right, then you just basically hop in as soon as it closes, or you can wait for a slight pullback, and then basically you want to have your stop like this. So we'll just go long position here. Let me just get it on board here. So you want to enter it like this. I usually have my stop at about, on this 15-minute time frame, I'll usually have it about 10 pips or so. Between 7 and 10 pips. So I had it around 10 pips. Then you just want to go for like a 2-to-1, even a 1-to-1 is fine, because the strike rate is so high in this setup. If you can just catch even 1-to-1s with this, with a good decent lot size, then it's actually, you'll grow your account quite nicely. But obviously you always want to try your best to target positive risk to reward. Okay, but these trades are so potent that it's almost always a winner. Okay, so the win rate's going to also outweigh the risk to reward a bit, the worry about risk to reward, and the science behind risk to reward and all that. Because you're going to be catching, you're almost always going to go into profit. That will outweigh the aspect of worrying about your positive risk to reward all the time. It's also about stacking up those trades. You'll be very surprised how many trades I've just caught 1-to-1s on, and I've been able to grow my trading account so nicely with just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So guys, that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think. So going into next week, let's just look at a potential setup on something else. I've shown you in the US dollar, so we have this top one marked out. You can even see right now what's actually happening here on the New Zealand dollar. It's actually reacting to this lower peak formation already. We can already see the bounce happening here, and it's basically reacting to this level over here, which has all these peak formation points over here. So you can see how beautifully it's actually reacting there already. If we drop down to like a 15-minute, so you can see the rejection. Look at that, guys. Look how repeatable it is. Look how simple it is. Check. So it's also scalable. So you can start off with a certain lot size, a smallish lot size, and then start scaling up as you get more confidence and as you get more consistency with the strategy. You can start scaling up your lot size and growing your account. Compounding it a lot quicker. Check how it's reacting already with this pin bar here. So guys, this is not bullshit. This is a serious thing where you can take advantage of these setups. So let me know what you guys think. Hope the strategy helps you out in your trading, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Have a great week trading. Hope this helps. Wish you guys all the best with your trading, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Bye.